Today I'm sharing 5 classic color combinations to help you sew a cohesive fall wardrobe. Fall is such an inspiring season with all the cozy sweaters and the layers and the textures, but sometimes I get a little bit overwhelmed and I end up buying a bunch of fabric that I never use. So I found that building a palette for this season really helps. So I'm gonna share 5 classic color combinations along with tons of fall outfit inspiration and even fabrics and patterns you can try. All right, the first color combination is olive and cream. This color combo is great for fall because traditional olive drab is used in a lot of utility clothing. And as we move into fall and into all that shifting weather, it's really good to have pieces like that on hand. When you're pairing with olive, using white can often feel too stark, so look for something a little bit softer. Cream is ideal because it still gives you that contrast that you want without looking too utilitarian. It has a little bit of that vintage vibe and it can read a little bit more feminine, a little bit less menswear, so it gives you that nice balance. All right, so now let's talk about fabric. Olive colors are great for bottoms like pants. Look for canvas and corduroy, which are gonna give you that sturdy utilitarian kind of vibe. And then for cream colors, you can sew a top or a blouse. So think silks, rayons, soft cottons, and knitwear as well. The soft nature of these fabrics is gonna contrast beautifully with these sturdier olive fabrics. Here are some Seamwork patterns that'll show off this color combination so nicely. So for fall, flared pants look really great. So try the Chelsea flared jeans, and you can do them in an olive corduroy. I've personally made them in corduroy and I absolutely love them. So I'll link to my project video below. The Rhett chore coat is next, and it's a fun option for outerwear. So it's a little bit more casual, but you can dress it up with a turtleneck underneath. I found this olive colored herringbone twill at Sewing Studio. The twill weave gives it this really great texture and it's gonna look really beautiful with a solid colored cream blouse or a turtleneck underneath. So for the blouse, you could sew the Dara top in a cream color like this example here. So this pattern also has these lace inserts, which look so nice in cream. If you're looking for something similar, I found some really pretty cotton voile at Style Maker Fabrics, so that would be really lovely to sew in a fall blouse. Another option is a knit turtleneck or a mock neck top. They always look so classic in cream and you can layer them under coats, you can wear them under trenches, you can wear them under sweaters. And the Edie pattern is really nice because it's sleeveless, so it's great for those warm fall afternoons when you need to just shed a layer. And if you do want sleeves, you could try the Ace top in a cream. That would also be really, really cozy in merino. Here's some cream colored merino wool I found at the Confidence Stitch. Merino is such a great fabric for year-round wear because it's gonna keep you cool or warm depending on the weather. It's really insulating. It's also really breathable, which is nice for layering. The second color combo is a wine and red, and I love this combo because you can make it sultry, but you can also make it feel really fun. This combo is kind of like a grown-up version of the Barbie pink and lilac that we saw in the spring and summer. This combination also gives you so much opportunity to play with accessories. So even if you only have one outfit, you can add some drama without the expense. You can just pick coordinating lipstick or shoes or accessories. What I love about this color combination is that the tonal colors are beautiful together, but they're also really unexpected, and I think that conveys a lot of confidence in what you're wearing. But the other thing I really like about it is that both wine and red are colors that go well with a lot of other fall colors on their own, and that makes them very mix and match. So you can put together a tonal outfit, but you could also wear those colors separately with a lot of other fall colors. So some fabrics that work well in wine and red for fall include velvet, leather, or silk. So you can go really luxe with this. These statement fabrics work really well with a simple red knit or twill. Robert Kaufman actually has a line of twills that come in all sorts of colors. It's the Ventana Twill Collection, and they have several shades of burgundy and of red. So that's something that should be easy for you to find even online. For patterns, I was really inspired by skirts and tops. So the Desi skirt is cut on the bias, and it would look really dramatic and lovely in wine or in red. I found this silky rayon challis at Finch Fabrics in LA. So it'd be really perfect for Desi or for any other long, flowy skirt. For a top, I think a peasant blouse could be a really fun, playful pair for Desi. It's flowy, but then you can add some texture or even print. And this is the Emmy top, and it's made in a wine-colored double gauze. I found some beautiful double gauze at Blackbird Fabrics in a few different shades of red and wine. So you could use those to sew a blouse just like this. The next color combo is brown and light gray. So what I love about this is that it mixes those warm tones and those cool tones. These are colors you probably already have in your closet and in your fabric stash. They're softer sisters of black and white, so they can give you that feel of contrast without that stark nature of black and white. For both of these colors, you're gonna find great fall fabrics like wools or sweater knits or denim. I was inspired by classic trousers and a crop jacket or sweater, so this outfit shows off belts and shoes really nicely. For patterns, try the Ani trousers. They have all the classic details you want, like welt pockets and a pleat at the front. I found this gray denim from Lady McElroy. They have a lot of really great denim, both with or without stretch. You might be able to find some at your local fabric shop too. And if you're a Seamwork member, be sure to log in and shop at any of these stores I mentioned today because you actually get an exclusive discount. I also recommend the Lisa cardigan. This is something that you can wear on its own, or you could wear it layered. And it's also free right now if you sign up for my Snippets newsletter, so I'll put a link to that below. I found this gorgeous gray designer cable knit at Style Maker Fabrics, and I think it would look so pretty with brown pants or a skirt. And if you do sew Lisa, you could pick some fun buttons to match it. For the jacket, try the chip pattern. It's moto inspired, but it's designed for knits. You can choose hardware that coordinates with gray or brown, so try silver with gray and gold with brown, for example. I found this quilted cotton sweater knit at Riverside Fabrics, and it's thick enough that I think it would work really great for the chip jacket. The fourth color combo is camel and red. So this combination is so much fun. I think this one is my favorite of all of them. It's classic, it's feminine, it's also really polished, and it just looks amazing all year round. For camel, think coats and trenches, especially ones in cozy wool. Tan chino can also work as a camel color with a red top. And looking at these pictures, I was really inspired by longer coats over anything and everything that's red. So for the coat, look no further than the bay coat. It's basically designed to be sewn in a camel wool. I found this beautiful Melton wool at Style Maker. The colorway is called Cinnamon, so it's a bit of a darker camel, but I love it so much. It would be great for a classic camel coat too. You can have more fun with what you wear underneath your camel coat, but a dress would be the easiest outfit. So Taylor is a wrap dress that would look absolutely stunning in red. Now you could just choose a solid red challis or lawn, but red also looks really fun in prints. So I found this floral printed bright red challis from Workroom Social, and it would make a beautiful tailor dress. If you choose black or other neutrals to wear under the camel coat, just sew some fun red accessories like a headband or even red silk scrunchies. We have a free tutorial for making scrunchies, and I'll link that below for you. And our Drew headband is really easy and really fun to make, so I'll link to that pattern too. The final color combination is another one I really love, and that's navy and brown. I really love this color combo because with navy, you can lean both towards nice high-end wools, but denim also totally fits the bill. And using brown alongside it leans it away from preppy and more into cozy. It's unexpected in a way that still feels really, really classic. And it's a little bit muted, but it's just really fun to wear. You have so much freedom with fabrics here, especially if it's not too chilly where you are. So look for cottons, chambray, denim, sweater knits, rayon, any other fabrics that are gonna work well with transitional seasons. I was inspired by layered outfits that are actually more casual but read polished because of the navy. You could sew a denim jacket like Audrey, which is a classic denim jacket, or our new indigo car coat would also be really, really cute in denim. I found this denim at No No We Fabrics in Canada, and the shade would look really great with darker or with lighter browns. You could wear the Lisa cardigan that I talked about earlier underneath the jacket for a really fun layered look. This brown sweater knit from Emma One Sock would be really great for the Lisa cardigan. It's chunky and it's textured, and I just think it would be so cozy. All you need to complete the look is a pair of navy or brown pants or a long skirt. Another tip I have is to create a folder or a mood board for your favorite seasonal color combinations, and then you can return to it year after year. Once you have a few combos you like, you can shop your closet and your fabric stash, and you can see what you already have. And that way I guarantee you're gonna come up with inspiring ways to use what you already have. Once you have a color palette you feel excited about, you'll still need to figure out what you wanna sew. There's actually a technique for that, and it's so simple to use, especially if you have your colors already picked out. It helps you create repeatable outfits that you know you're gonna feel awesome in. This video will share that technique, and it's gonna give you lots of examples.